Hello my dear friends, it's me Philipp from Pink and Tassel and welcome back to my channel. Just look at this beautiful neoclassical lamp base made of a solid brass, probably from 1940s, 1930s. Doesn't have an original socket anymore, so it needs to be replaced. Needs a lot of polishing, but at the same time it's a super exciting project for me, so if you want to see how I will transform it, keep on watching. Well, turn out this is not the brass lamp, and I'm a little bit disappointed. As soon as I started taking the lamp apart, I look on the inside and I saw this is a different type of metal that had been coated with a very thin layer of brass. And if on a column you can still polish the surface, on pieces like this square pedestals, you already can see a little bit of silver metal showing through the brass finish. So what I'm going to do is to continue polishing everything, and when I'm done, I'll have to make a decision how I want to proceed. So as soon as I put the lamp back together, I realized that it doesn't really need anything else. Even those parts that are missing the brass finish look very antique, and I'm very happy with the result. And I hope you enjoyed today's little DIY. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you very soon.